Hey, welcome back my friends to another Sprinkler Supply Store product overview. I'm Sprinkler Nerd Andy, and in this video, we're gonna take a look at the Hunter Bluetooth Tap Timer. What this means is you can hook your hose up to your hose bib, and this is the timer, and you can control it using your smartphone. So I want to take it out of the box, look at it, and just give you a quick look and feel of this pretty sweet Bluetooth hose timer. So actually, you can see there's the app right here. I was just downloading it from the App Store. We'll just set that off to the side. And let's go ahead and open the package. Hunter's now shipping this in a cardboard packaging, so you might get it in this original plastic packaging, or you might get it in a cardboard box. It's both the very same product, so don't worry if the one you get does not look like this. This is a little bit more retail packaging. You get your batteries. Batteries are included because it's 2021. Batteries not included was so 80s, right? Let's see, anything else in here? You get your instructions. That's it. So we will put the packaging off to the side. Let's take a look at the timer. I'm going to snap out the batteries so we can actually install them. And let's see, I always like to kind of just feel a product. You know, this is, there's not much to write home about. There's a screen built in there. There is a rubber hose washer to prevent leakage. Depending on what you're connecting here, you might want to put some Teflon tape, but maybe not. And then looks like we've got our battery right here on the back. So that was easy enough. We'll go ahead and put our batteries in. 1 and battery 2. And then, just so that I know I'm putting this back in correctly, there is only one way to put this in. There's a couple channels right here, and there are some grooves on the back of the battery case, so that ensures that you're putting it in correctly. Awesome. And by clicking this button, you can turn the valve on and you can turn the valve off. So if you have your hose hooked up here and you don't have your phone and you want to manually water, all you have to do is click that button and you can hear it. I'll hold it up to the mic. You can hear the solenoid actuating inside here. And then what I thought we'd do here is actually try to connect it in real time. I have never done this before. You can't really see my screen. Oh, there you go. So what I'll try to do is, there we go. So first thing it asks me, Hunter BTT would like to use Bluetooth. Yes. Hunter would like to send you notifications. Sure. Okay, available, so it's already sensing the Bluetooth hose tap right there. We are connecting, set a passcode. Nope, I'm gonna dismiss that. There it is, that's it. It took me about 25 seconds to connect it to the phone app. Let's go ahead and click manual. I'm guessing that that's what this is. Again, it's my first time. For 1 minute, start. Stop. Start. Stop. That's all there is to it. Cycling, schedule off, auto. You can set your water days, your start time, your end time. You get the idea. Let's flip the camera back around so I can give you a better look and feel. There's the Bluetooth timer. This button in the middle turns it on and turns it off. Okay, so that's all there is to it. Very easy to use. You know, as long as you're within Bluetooth range of the tap timer, then you can do all your programming on your phone and actuate your sprinklers that you drag around the yard. So hope that helps give you an overview of the Bluetooth timer. Could not be any easier. And if there's anything we can help you with, don't hesitate to reach out. You can contact us by phone, chat, email, and text message. So if there's anything we can do to help you, we're happy to. And until the next Sprinkler Supply Store product overview, happy sprinkling. We'll talk to you then.